Alright guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at how to import, export and modify your newly created ICC profile. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za, where we make short and easy to watch problem solving videos. Okay, next up, we're going to be looking at importing, exporting, and modifying ICC profiles. Now, this is great if you've created one, but you notice there's something maybe slightly wrong, then you can adjust it, or maybe you want to back up something so that you can export it and import it at a later stage. So now back on this main menu of the actual color manager, after we've clicked finish, if we scroll all the way to the bottom, you'll see there's a new ICC profile we created with relevant information in it. Now, first of all, if we want to export this, we want to make sure the little checkbox is clicked. Click export and then choose a location where you want to export it to, and it will export that color profile. We just wait for that to finish. If you had to click import, we can see we can find that one. You can just import it if you need to. Now, same thing with that selected on the checkbox, we click on modify. And this will give us some basic information here we can modify to find adjustments if we need to. But yeah, I'm just going to click cancel instead of saving. Yeah, otherwise, if we head here to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and you can also isolate your search on the top right. If you do not, however, find the training videos you're looking for, just simply go here, request a training video, fill in the mini form, and then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.